Welcome to my video finishing well after my golden Land Cruiser. I hope you'll enjoy it. So today I'm changing the arm for the rear wiper and figured to film it. So yeah, this wiper arm is more than 20 years old and the paint has faded. So I'd like to refresh it with a brand new OEM replacement. So yeah, let's get to it. So wear your gloves and let's get started. So before we take anything apart, we have to make sure the wiper arm is sitting at the off position and mark where the wiper blade is setting on the glass. In my case it's easy because it's sitting on the last line of this defrogger. It's windy today, so bear with me. So first step is to remove this cover. Usually it's stubborn, just like in my case. Here we go. Oh, that's a lot of rust. This nut is prone for rusting. No worries, I have a OEM replacement for it and I will share the part number later. So I will spray it with WD-40, let it soak for a few minutes and then come back to continue. So to break this nut loose, you will hold the wiper arm with one hand firmly and try to break it loose with your other hand. This nut is 10mm. You may need a deep socket since the cover is kind of in the way. So let me break this loose off camera since I have so much rust here, and I need my two hands and I will get back to you. Success. So here's what I end up using: 3/8 ratchet for extra leverage, and yeah, it broke loose easily. Didn't require any heat or anything special. Here we go. It's not too bad of a rust after all. So to remove the wiper arm pain-free and make it easy for yourself, get yourself the right tool. This is a wiper arm puller. I got it from Amazon. It's really cheap. So yeah, let me set it up on the arm and I will show you. So you will turn this knob to adjust the hooks, and then you will turn this on the bolt right there until it should pop. There we go. There we go, it's off. I'm also replacing the grommet. I thought it's a good chance. I'll show you the part number next. So here are all the part numbers for the wiper arm, for the nut and for the grommet. So if you're using your wiper blade, make sure to transfer it into the new arm. If you don't know how to do that, I have a short about this and I will put the link to it in the description of this video. So replace your arm, making sure it sits in the same position as it was before you remove it. Replace the nut and tighten it. As for torque specs, I did look around for torque specs for this nut for the 100 series Land Cruiser. I didn't find any. However, I did find for the 200 series Land Cruiser, and I will use that, which is 49 inch-pound. So I will torque it to spec and then go over it again using a ratchet, making sure it's tight and call it good. Here we go. It's nice and tight. So here's a final look at this refreshed wiper arm. Looks much better now. So yeah, I hope that was useful. Thanks for watching. Keep your Land Cruiser happy and don't forget to cherish yourself. Bye.